Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this tutorial we will create a knockout text effect using Photoshop where the text will be fully editable. First, open your image. Next, select your horizontal type tool, and enter any text you like. Then, using the rectangle tool, create a rectangle shape in the middle of your main image layer and text layer. You may change the color of the rectangle shape depending on the color of your choice. Next, select your text layer and then open Layer Style by choosing Blending Options, or you may double-click the text layer. Under Knockout, choose Shallow. Then adjust the fill opacity to 0. Once done, click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.